With that better understanding, now we can turn to Plato and Aristotle to find out what they might mean with the combination of techne and logos that forms our word technology. Forms our word technology was never used by Plato or Aristotle. It is a modern word that seems to originate in around the 17th century. And so turning to Plato first, probably the best place to start is the dialogue, the Phaedo, because there, amid the problem of what Socrates refers to as misology, which is to say hatred of logoi, in other words, hatred of arguments, Socrates uses both of the words techne and logos in a way that if they are combined together to form technology, then we see immediately what that word would have meant for the Greeks versus what that word means for us in modernity. Socrates says the following: when somebody trusts some argument, a logos, to be true without the art or techne of arguments, as it sometimes is and sometimes isn't, and this happens again and again with one argument after another. And as you know, those especially who spent their days in debate end up thinking they've become the wisest of men and that they alone have detected that there's nothing sound or stable, not in the realm of either practical matters or arguments, but thinking instead that all things are simply tossed to and fro, as happens in the Euripus. In other words, a narrow sea path where the waters reverse back and forth quite a bit. And all things that are don't stay put anywhere for any length of time.